What YouTube are they watching?
Big old chubs.
That's right. God damn. Alright everybody, I got another special for you guys. To honor my daughter's first birthday, I'm going to be doing 10-time entries for the whole month of February and the remaining of January. So today, January 27th, all the way till the end of February, we're going to be doing 10-time entries for a chance to win the giveaway truck. So go ahead, get your entries. It's been cold lately, so get some hoodies, get some beanies, and or whatever else catches your attention. So good luck everybody, and hope you're the winner. What is up everybody, it's your boy Chubs. Welcome back to another video. Okay, so this video is the video I think a lot of you guys have been waiting for, and I know the winner has been waiting for a long time. The house is a mess right now because they're power washing the whole house because we're gonna get it painted and everything. So excuse any mess you see on the floor or anything. But the first giveaway truck is back. It's nice and painted. You guys will see right now. I'm actually gonna wash it to get it ready for the winner that's gonna be coming. We're gonna vacuum the inside and everything. But yeah, I can't wait to see his reaction to the paint job because he has not seen it yet. And in my opinion, the paint looks great. The guy didn't really have much time to paint it, but he did a great job. So hit him up for any paint jobs. He is the Hoopty Plug on Instagram, so go give him a follow. Get a quote from him, tell him Bigocrew sent you, and he'll get something going on for you guys. So he's located out here in the San Bernardino County area, so hit him up guys. But let's check out the paint. Like I said, I need to wash it because it was raining the other day, the day after I picked it up, so it's a little dirty, especially because it's black. So let's check it out. Then we got the Denali clone right there. Hell yeah. Let's check it out guys. Boom. Black on black. Beautiful. We also got to remove all these decals. Hell yeah guys. So they're not done spraying the house down. I mean power washing it, so hopefully they're not too noisy once they get back from lunch. But I mean, it is windy, so it's gonna mess with the mic a little bit. But we do have today also the second giveaway truck is gonna be getting dropped off. We're gonna have it here so we can start doing other stuff on it during the week. Right now I'm gonna just pretty much set up the whole visual, put the trucks outside and put the giveaway truck inside, wash it, and you know, pretty much just get it ready. So let's get things going so we could beat the time.
Might as for a reason.
Damn.
I still can't believe this is a truck, dude.
We got Ramon right here. We got
Crew.
Tony, aka the Hoopty Plug. We got my boy Mike right here.
What's up, what's up?
Damn, alright. I just gave the winner my address, so he's gonna be coming shortly. It'll probably take him about like 15-20 minutes to come from where he lives. As you guys, if you guys watched when I went to his house, we got there pretty quick. So yeah, the truck's all ready to go. Pretty nervous, but there's two more things I gotta do to this interior, and you'll see right now. Black ice air freshener. So we're gonna install this air freshener real quick. We got my boy Ramon behind the camera.
Hi.
Owner of the new giveaway truck. Well, I mean, previous owner of the new giveaway truck. But we got black ice right here. And last but not least, I want to do this in every single one of my giveaways. Un rosario, ya bendito, desde Michoacán right here. So it was my grandma's, and we have plenty more.
Let me get a close up.
got my mom's permission for it, and she said, yeah, we can have it. And we're gonna make sure the winner drives off con la licencia de Dios right here. So this is the last thing we're adding to this truck. So Diosito's always with us. There you go. And if for some reason whoever wins it is not religious like that, they could always just give it back, or it's up to them. We got the drone flying right here. Check it out. Hell yeah. And I wanted to do this on my driveway with my Denali on its side and the new giveaway on its side, but the house is getting painted right now, so there's not much I can do about that. But it's still a pretty beautiful sight right here with all these trucks.
Excited, Chubbs?
Yeah, hell yeah, bro. I've been waiting for this moment. I'm blessed that I'm able to be doing this at such low subscribers. I don't know. I have no words right now. Let's just let's see how this goes. What's up, man?
What's up, bro?
How you feeling?
Crazy, nervous.
Congrats, man.
Thank you.
It's a truck, dude. Check it out. Alright. This one, bro, si quema. Si quema, bro, like easy. So who'd you bring with you right here?
So I brought my two little brothers, my sister's boyfriend, my mom.
Hell yeah, man. All right, so it's still a peg leg, but it burns out good, dude.
Yeah.
Don't burn out here.
Yeah, I know.
Another thing I gotta tell you is as for tags and everything, everything's paid for already.
Okay.
All you gotta do is just go pretty much pick it up, because I did the smog and I was waiting for the tags in the mail.
Okay.
I think they wanted me to go in person. When I first drove this truck, I was like, this shit's tuned, because the way it shifts,
it doesn't shift like it
wants to redline.
Yeah.
So somebody tuned it.
I had an extended cap. And I had it dropped and everything, but I had to get rid of it.
Oh, okay.
And I ended up getting that Silverado that you've seen in my house.
Oh, careful right here. There's a big ass dip. If you want to turn right, it'll be better.
So I ended up getting a Silverado, 2014 Silverado. And I told my mom, when I got the COVID, I told my mom, I was watching videos, and I said I want to buy a single cab. And she told me, she's like, just wait. You'll get a better opportunity. And that same weekend, that's when you showed up to the house. I was like, wow, that's crazy.
Yeah, man. I was on live for 4 hours that day, putting in all the names and everything, when I could have done it like, you know, parts per day. But I said, fuck it, you know, I'm gonna do all of them all in one. It took me 4 hours.
This is crazy.
And your name pulled up. I was like, who is this? So I went on my website, searched up your name, got your address and everything, called you. Nothing, bro. No answer, nothing. I was like, what the fuck is going on? Everybody's like, choose another winner, choose another winner. But no, that wouldn't be the right thing to do.
Yeah.
So I just, you know, I was gonna give you 24 hours to contact me back. But I'm like, fuck it, he lives in Rialto, I'm gonna go to his house. So I fucking pulled up to your house. And man, dude. Oh, look at that shit. That shit pulls, bro. That shit pulls. It was spinning the whole time, dude.
She wants to go.
Yeah. Oh yeah, man.
They already asked me, what are you gonna do to it? What are you gonna do to it? I'm like, just enjoy it for now.
Enjoy how it is for a bit.
Yeah. That is crazy, man.
Don't hit it, bro. Damn. How do you feel?
I don't know, I feel nervous. I don't know what
excited,
I don't know what to
everything,
feel.
you know? A lot of different feelings right now. New verse to the vlog. Shout out everybody watching.
Hey, stay tuned for the next giveaway, because
it's right over there.
Big old chubs.
You can't do it now.
I know, that's what you were missing, that whole smile, the grin, man. His cheeks are going to be sore tomorrow.
I know.
Perfect. Oh, damn. We have the new giveaway truck right here. So if you want to get your entries now, you can. Right now we're doing 10-time entries all the way till March. So get your entries, guys. You never know. You might be the winner. No matter what state you're in, as long as you're in the U.S. How are you guys feeling?
Happy.
Happy?
Proud of my son.
Did you ever expect anything like this to happen? No. No? What YouTube are they watching?
Big old chubs.
That's right. Gonna ask you some questions.
I wanted to ask you some questions. What made you buy what'd you buy first of all?
It was the banner sticker.
Oh, you bought a banner.
Yeah,
Okay,
banner.
cool.
The banner.
All right, so did you think you were going to win the truck when you
Not
bought the
at all.
banner?
Not any
What was
chance
going through your
at
mind
all.
when you bought it?
Nothing, to be honest. I didn't know what to think.
So you bought it more just to support?
Yeah, just to support.
That's
I was
awesome.
like, you know, just get a sticker, why not, you know?
So let the people know that, you know,
Yeah,
wait, 30
you know,
bucks to
yeah,
get you.
30 bucks. 20, 30 bucks you spend and it gets you a truck. I mean, look at that one. That one's next. And sheesh.
There you go.
It looks clean now, man. Huh? Nah. I'm good with this one now.
Congratulations.
Thanks, bro.
Congrats, bro. Hell yeah. All right, guys, just like that, the giveaway's gone. Took forever, bro. It was a crazy year. That's all I gotta say. But the winner has it, legally his and everything. So man, that could have been anybody, to be honest. And for this giveaway, it could be anybody also. So make sure you guys get your entries. Damn, this is crazy. I've never in my life have I thought that I'd be able to do something like this for somebody else, especially one of you guys. So now that I can, I just, you know, I'm blessed, guys. man, I'm lost for words, but we'll catch you guys in the next video. We got some more stuff to do to the new giveaway truck, and once again, congrats to Jose from Rialto. Thank you guys. Peace out. TCB. Whoa. Whoa. And big thank you to my whole crew right here for always supporting. Hoopty Plug, Painter, hit him up. Hell yeah. Let's go. Oh shit.